Hey guys, next lock that I will attempt to open is this Yale dimple lock Euro cylinder snapped. It was again given to me by LP Bulgaria. That's the key bidding. And yeah, let's have a look and let's try and open it. And if successful, I will even try to gut it and not make a mess from it. So let's see now, starting from the back. Number 5 was this. 6 doesn't give anything, 5 doesn't give anything, 4, it was 4 that gave me something, a click at least I heard, but I'm not sure if I set it or overset it. Let's try the other way. Okay, that was a definite click from number 5. Number 3 gave me a click. Number 6 gave me a click. I think they're only standard as well. This Yale 2. 1 gave me a click. That's 2. Come on, who is left? Five and 6, 4, 3, number 2. Number 2 that is not completely set. Let's try it like this maybe. Number 2. Push a little bit from the side. Yeah, it was number 2. As I said, was not completely set. So that was the Yale 6-pin. So I will try not to make a mess like I did last time with the camera. You will excuse me. There we go. So since we have the key, I will lock it back up and hopefully I will not make a mess while removing the C-clip. There we have it. So one standard, I take it. So that's number 3. Yeah. Let's take out number 6. Number 4. Number 5. There's some interesting pins, I have to say. Number 2. Yep. They look very interesting pins. I'll show you in a moment with a little bit of a close-up. Probably I'll make a macro in the end as well. So number 1, it's a spool. Number 2 is a standard. 3 is a standard. Honestly, I didn't feel any spools, but 4 is a standard. 5 is a standard, and 6 is a standard pin. Nothing special on the core. No. Everything is standard. So, there we have it. These are the pins. As I said, all these pins look like some inverted T-pins, so if you can maybe make it out. So only one spool on the driver pins, everything else is standard, and some like T-pins on the top. Let me show you. Let me get something. Probably not, but let's try it like that, shall we? Hopefully the camera will focus. There we have it. These are all the pins are like that, something like a T-pin. Okay, that's the Yale 6-pin thanks to Milan. And guys, thank you for watching. Cheers.